Antibody marker of hepatitis B acute infection is option A anti-HBC IgM, option B anti-HBC IgG, option C anti-HBs, option D anti-HBe. Answer is option A anti-HBC IgM. Last serological marker of HBV infection. Option A anti-HBC, option B anti-HBs, option C anti-HBe, option D anti-RT. Answer is option B anti-HBs. Marker indicating carrier stage. Option A anti-HBC, option B anti-HBs, option C anti-HBe, option D anti-RT. Answer is option C anti-HBe. HBV marker antigen indicating viral replication. Option A HBs, option B HBe, option C HBC, option D HBI. Answer is option B HBe. HCV antigen is detected as option A antibodies are not formed, option B antibodies appear only in convalescence, option C antibodies appear late and irregularly, option D none of the above. Answer is option C antibodies appear late and irregularly. Primary HIV infection shows all except one of the following. Option A decrease in CD4 count, option B antibodies to core antigen, option C antibodies to envelope antigen, option D increasing P24 antigen. Answer is option D increasing P24 antigen. Diagnosis of pediatric HIV disease is by option A presence of P24 antigen, option B presence of anti-HIV antibody after 18 months, option C both, option D cannot be detected after birth. Answer is option C both. Vector in plague. Option A louse, option B tick, option C mite, option D flea. Answer is option D flea. The smallest among the DNA virus is option A pox virus, option B papovavirus, option C parvovirus, option D iridovirus. Answer is option C parvovirus. Which of the following virus group contains RNA dependent DNA polymerase as a structural component of the virion? Option A reovirus, option B rhabdovirus, option C adenovirus, option D retrovirus. Answer is option D retrovirus. The tissue culture type that maintains some forms of differentiated tissue markers but propagate independently. Option A continuous cell lines, option B primary cell lines, option C cell stains, option D diploid cell lines. Answer is option A continuous cell lines. The characteristic that is not applicable to diploid cell strains. Option A they continue to divide in culture but for only a limited number of generations. Option B they require serum in the growth medium. Option C they are obtainable from both fetal and adult tissue. Option D they are not capable of undergoing spontaneous transformation. Answer is option D they are not capable of undergoing spontaneous transformation. Infectious virus can be isolated from the stool for 3 or more weeks following infection with which of the following virus? Option A hepatitis B virus, option B herpes simplex virus, option C poliovirus, option D influenza virus. Answer is option C poliovirus. The disease characterized by the presence of negri bodies in host cells. Option A mumps, option B rabies, option C rubella, option D infectious mononucleosis. Answer is option B rabies. The virus that requires a temperature of 33 degrees Celsius for maximal multiplication. Option A poliovirus, option B rotavirus, option C Coxsackie virus A, option D rhinovirus. Answer is option D rhinovirus. Burkitt's lymphoma is caused by option A Epstein-Barr virus, option B herpes simplex virus type 2, option C papovavirus, option D cytomegalovirus. Answer is option A Epstein-Barr virus. Rabies virus is a member of which virus group? Option A rhabdovirus, option B arbovirus, option C toga virus, option D arenavirus. Answer is option A rhabdovirus. A plus stranded RNA virus. Option A, coronavirus. Option B, adenovirus. Option C, herpes simplex virus. Option D, rubella virus. Answer is option D, rubella virus. A virus often spread via contaminated swimming pools. Option A, coronavirus. Option B, adenovirus. Option C, rubella virus. Option D, measles virus. Answer is option B, adenovirus. The virus closely associated with common cold. Option A, rubella virus. Option B, influenza virus. Option C, coronavirus. Option D, adenovirus. Answer is option C, coronavirus. Antiviral agent. Option A, quinolones. Option B, interferons. Option C, imidazole. Option D, rifampicin. Answer is option B, interferons.